Did you know that by 2025, airlines are expected to enforce stricter carry-on rules that could limit the size and number of bags you can bring on board? This means packing smart is more important than ever. And trust me, you do not want to get caught out with an oversized bag or, God forbid, the wrong liquids in your carry-on. It can ruin your trip before it even starts. That's why I'm breaking down all the need-to-know info in this video. From bag sizes to liquid restrictions, I've got you covered. First up, the big one. Carry-on size. Forget what you thought you knew about carry-on dimensions, because those old size limits, out the window. The new maximum size for carry-on bags in 2025 is 21 inches high, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. Airlines are strict about these new carry-on dimensions. They've got those metal sizers at every gate, and trust me, they're not afraid to use them. Double-check your carry-on bag size before you even leave for the airport. Alright, so you've got your perfectly sized carry-on, but don't get too comfortable just yet. We've still got the carry-on weight limit to contend with, because apparently, size isn't the only thing that matters in the wonderful world of air travel. For 2025, airlines have actually managed to agree on a standard carry-on weight limit across the board. So, what's the magic number? Drumroll, please. 15 pounds. Invest in a portable luggage scale. They're affordable, easy to use, and they could save you a whole lot of hassle at the airport. Plus, you can finally stop playing the "how much do you think my bag weighs" game with your travel buddies. Next, let's get into the new rules for electronic devices in 2025. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, staying connected is essential. We all travel with a small arsenal of gadgets these days. Laptops, tablets, phones, headphones, you name it. It's like carrying a mini tech store in your bag. First things first, laptops and tablets still need to come out of your bag at security. No exceptions here, folks. Make sure they're easily accessible. But here's the kicker. They're cracking down on those portable chargers. Yep, those handy little lifesavers are under scrutiny. Starting in 2025, any portable charger with a capacity over 100 watt-hours is a no-go in your carry-on. That's right. You'll need to check the label before you pack. So, if you're rocking a supersized power bank, you're going to have to check it in with your luggage. Better safe than sorry. And don't even get me started on drones. These flying gadgets are a whole different ballgame. Make sure you check the specific drone regulations for your airline and destination, because things can get complicated fast. Each airline has its own set of rules, and you don't want any surprises at the airport. Now let's dive into the 2025 airline carry-on rules for liquids. Remember the rule about liquids, gels, and aerosols in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces? Yes, that's still in effect, but here's the exciting update. Those flimsy, zip-top plastic bags are a thing of the past. Now, travelers are encouraged to use reusable, TSA-approved toiletry bags. This change is not only eco-friendly, but also much more practical. And remember, keep those liquids easily accessible in your carry-on. You don't want to be the one holding up the security line because you can't find your travel-size toothpaste. Next, duty-free shopping tips for travelers. It's the irresistible allure of international travel. But before you indulge in a shopping spree, here are essential duty-free shopping tips you need to know. First off, the liquid restrictions. They still apply to duty-free purchases. And, when it comes to connecting flights, be aware of your layover locations. Different countries have varying rules about bringing duty-free items through security. My advice? Research duty-free policies before you travel. Check the duty-free regulations for your destination and any connecting airports. Next, let's dive into what's allowed as personal items in 2025. You know, that smaller bag you're allowed to bring in addition to your carry-on luggage? Well, airlines have updated their rules on that too. Previously, the definition of a personal item was a bit unclear. But now, airlines are getting specific with their guidelines. According to the new 2025 guidelines, your personal item must fit under the seat in front of you, and it needs to fit neatly, not just shoved under there. So, what does this mean for you and your travel plans? That oversized tote bag you love might not make the cut. It might be time to downsize to a more compact option. Remember, space is a luxury when you're flying, so choose wisely. Let's discuss airport security changes. They're rolling out new high-tech body scanners at airports nationwide. These advanced imaging technology scanners detect prohibited items more efficiently than old metal detectors. But of course, with new technology comes new anxieties. Some travelers are concerned about privacy issues with these new scanners. The TSA assures us that the images are immediately deleted and that the technology is perfectly safe. In addition to the new scanners, they're also implementing stricter ID checks. So, make sure you have your driver's license or passport handy for a smoother experience. Next, break the airline carry-on rules and what not to pack. You know the drill. No weapons, no explosives, no hazardous materials. But every year, it seems like they add a few new items to the list. And 2025 is no exception. One of the most surprising additions to the list is selfie sticks. Another item that's raising eyebrows is smart luggage. And of course, let's not forget about the usual suspects. Liquids over 3.4 ounces, sharp objects, flammable materials. Attention pet parents. Traveling with your furry friends in 2025 will require new rules. Airlines are tightening the rules for emotional support animals and pets in the cabin. This means not all pets will have the same travel freedoms as before. Passengers must now provide documentation from a licensed mental health professional confirming their animal is a legitimate service animal. This documentation must be current and meet the airline's specific criteria. There are also size and breed restrictions. Some airlines have a list of breeds that are not allowed in the cabin due to safety concerns. If your pet doesn't qualify as a service animal, expect to pay a fee to bring them in the cabin. These fees vary by airline and destination. There are also strict rules about carriers, vaccinations, and your pet's temperament. Your pet must be well behaved and not disturb other passengers. Check the specific requirements for your airline and destination. Each airline has its own rules, and some destinations have additional regulations. Traveling with medical equipment can be stressful enough without having to worry about updated airline regulations. But for 2025, airlines have introduced new guidelines. If you're traveling with a medical device that requires electricity, ensure it's FAA approved for air travel. When traveling with medication, make sure it's clearly labeled and in its original packaging. Carry a doctor's note explaining your condition and the medication you're taking to avoid any issues at security. If you need special assistance at the airport, such as a wheelchair or help navigating security, contact the airline in advance to make arrangements. That's it for today's video on 2025 airline carry-on rules. We covered essential tips, from size restrictions to prohibited items, and even traveling with pets. Navigating airline carry-on rules can be overwhelming, but being prepared ensures a smooth and stress-free travel experience. Before you zip up that suitcase and head to the airport, double-check those carry-on regulations, pack smart, and don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure. The more informed you are, the better your travel experience will be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and updates. Safe travels, everyone.